I can't even see him, Brian. Send that shit to me right now. Right fucking now.
One more time. Let me hear it.
I can't even look at it. We're going.
Oh God, you hear them fucking mullet over there? God damn, boy. Oh, yep. Get that fucking mullet, son. Is the camera on? Yep. Camera's running! God damn, get that big motherfucker, son. God.
Fucking help me, motherfucker.
God damn.
Help me get it in.
Big one, boy.
Help me get it the fuck out. Help me get it in.
Hey, mother.
Help me get it in.
Hey.
Help me get it in. Hey! Help me get it in. Help me.
Get that motherfucker. God damn.
Fuck. Woo!
Son.
Woo! You sack of fucking shit. There's the knot.
So your jig head broke?
You threw it too hard and you broke it off.
No, I didn't break shit.
Tight to them. I don't jerk it, just reel and let the rod set itself. There you go.
Boy.
Hopefully. Yeah, that's a little baby, whatever.
Catfish, boy.
Piece of shit.
It's a big catfish.
Not nothing big.
It's a big catfish, guys.
Fucking piece of shit.
It's a big catfish.
That's a bluegill.
It's a big one.
Can we get the net?
Yeah, get the net.
That's a piece of shit.
Get the net. Get the net.
That's a piece of fucking shit.
Get the fucking. Get.
Yeah.
Woo!
Why are you getting so pumped up?
Yeah.
Why are
Woo!
you getting so pumped up?
Fuck you, man.
Piece of shit.
I mean, it sucks to suck when you can't catch them. I get it.
Can't even catch a damn catfish.
Oh.
Nope. Maybe that's what we're seeing blow up. Come over here.
Give him the gainer.
Do it. Stab him in the head with a knife and then give him the other. Got him that time. Oh,
Fucking broke me off.
Redfish, snook, and a catfish. And out.
Come here, fucker.
Oh,
What do you got, dude?
catfish.
Wow, you're a dumbass fucking gator.
That'll be a little redfish. There you go. There you go. There's a gator. Are you kidding me? Look at that, to the left.
Oh my god, bro. Fuck yeah, dude. A
We're
fucking
gonna catch
gator.
that bitch. I got one.
All fucking day, I'm like, let's just go to
Let's
my
go to the
spot,
hole.
dude. No big deal.
Dude, what the hell? He ate the line.
Wow.
He ate the line. I don't know how. He ate the line. Why do we not have him in the boat? Let's just let fish. If you want me to grab it, yeah. Dude, it lassoed him.
If he has a tag on him, grab the net.
Dude, it lassoed him around his bottom jaw. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Hold on, make sure I look shredded, bro.
Well, flex a little bit.
Like
There you go.
my traps and shit.
Flex. Now you're covering it up with the fish. All right, there you go. Flex. All right.
Ball.
There you go. Come on,
This fucker's begging for it. He's gonna get fucking shot. Come on, bud.
Alright, grab my net.
Ooh. Give me a fucking picture.
Just drop it. Oh.
Can we get the net?
Come on, Paul!
Big old motherfucking catfish.
Dude, get the net.
Woo, son.
Come on, Paul!
Big fucking catfish, boy. God damn, look at that thing.
It's a stingray, Paul.
God damn, that's a big old catfish.
Get that fucking shit away from me. Don't put that anywhere near me, dude.
Oh, damn, that's a big one.
Don't put that anywhere by me, Paul.
Oh, God.
Don't put that anywhere by me, Paul.
Damn, those big old catfish. Where's your little flipperoonie?
Don't put that anywhere by me, Paul.
Where's your little flipperoonie?
Don't put that anywhere by me, Paul.
Ew, he's got a tumor on his butthole.
Tumor on his butthole.
Don't put that by me, Paul.
Look at her smiley face.
Don't put that by me, Paul.
Dude, you let him swallow it.
Don't put that by me, Paul.
That was his fault.
Not fishing with you anymore. Put that shit by me. Don't put that by me.
Dude, how you gonna get that hook out of there?
I'm gonna cut the line and drop it this bag in the water. Give me some.
What are the... No, man, I'm afraid of stingrays because they fucking look just like aliens. I guarantee you they're aliens. I'm not fucking around. Have you ever seen one skull? Don't put it by me.
You got scissors? What'd you do that for? Give me some scissors.
Ah! Would you open my bail for me, please? Ah, come on, dude. I'm trying to hurt myself.